Hi everyone. We are looking at question number 3 from the use of cosine rule. We have a problem here that states that the lengths of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Calculate the size of the largest angle. Correct. We are given the lengths of the sides of a triangle. So let's try to represent these numbers in the triangle they are talking about. You can see the sizes are not the same. 2, 3, 4. And you're asked to find the size of the largest angle from these sides. So let's represent it in a triangular form this way. This is our 2 here. It's the shortest of the 3. This is 3 here, and this is 4. In the ratio 2:3:4. Calculate the size of the largest angle. All right. So, when you are applying the cosine rule, the longest side, the angle, when you have the longest side, the angle that is opposite to the longest side is the biggest angle. The angle that is opposite to the shortest side is the smallest angle. This is what this problem is trying to make you figure out for yourself. A part of that is just applying the rule. But if you don't understand the concept, then application becomes a problem. Application of the rule becomes a problem. So that's the concept first. When you have 4 here, it means this angle here, let's call it C, has to be the biggest angle. This C has to be the biggest angle. So what they're asking you to calculate the size of the largest angle. They're asking you to calculate this angle here. So we can now say this is A, this is B. It doesn't matter again. Right? So having this one here, we use the cosine rule or the cosine formula by saying 4. Let me further simplify it for you. When you have big C here, capital C, this will be small c. When you have big capital B here, opposite it is small b. When you have A here, the side opposite angle A is small a. So we want to find C, the angle C. So we start with the length C, because the formula, the cosine rule, gives us the length. Yeah? So you have here now C squared is equals to that. This small c, not the big C, small c, the length, must be equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB minus twice their product. Then the cosine of, you start with C, must end with C. This is side, or this is length, this is angle, cos the angle. Right? So now, here from this one, C is 4. So this is 4 squared, must be equals to A is 3, plus B is 2, minus 2 times 3 times 2 again, then the cosine of what we are asked to find, which we don't know. They said find the size of the largest angle. We are looking for this angle here. So this is 16 must be equal, this is 9 plus 4 minus 12 cosine of C. So this is 16, 9 plus this is 13, yeah, minus 12 cos of C. So that will give us, we'll bring the 13 over. That will give us now 16 minus 13 equals minus 12 cosine of C. So this is 3 is equals to minus 12 cosine of C. Once cosine of C. So divide both sides by 12. So now here you will get 3 all over 12. I want to bring the minus sign here so that I leave the cosine here. So this will be minus 3 all over 12 equals to cosine of C. So this will give you minus 1/4 cos of C. Minus 1/4, this will give minus 0.25 equals to cos C. But once C, not the cosine of C, you have to find the size of the angle. So not the cosine of the angle, the size of the angle C. So now, C, therefore, will be, this is the arc now, arc cosine of minus 0.25 equals C. This is now because of angle C. Yeah? You are finding the arc of this angle, cosine. So that's what you get. So let's look in our calculator to find what is this one. So arc cos, shift, cosine, minus 0.25 104. So this gives you 104.4775 122 is not important again. So we can reduce this one further, like 104.48 degrees. This is approximately 104.48 degrees. That is the angle C we are asked to calculate. That's your answer. Thank you for watching.